Petrostone LLP proudly presents exporting fantasy gold marble to Saudi Arabia,
A milestone achievement, successfully exporting 37 containers shipped in last 20 days.
Petrostone LLP, where India's natural beauty meets craftsmanship. Precision, the core of excellence. Elevating stone artistry across the world.
It all begins with the majestic fantasy gold marble blocks, sourced from the finest quarries.
Our state-of-the-art cutting technology ensures precise dimensions, transforming blocks into exquisite slabs. Each sample undergoes rigorous inspection to meet the highest standards, ensuring only the best is approved. The approved blocks are crafted into stunning marble slabs, showcasing the natural beauty of fantasy gold. Our dedicated quality inspection team meticulously examines every slab, guaranteeing unmatched quality. Careful loading procedures are followed to secure the slabs, readying them for their journey. Expert pallet packaging adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring safe and secure transit. Once approved, the marble slabs are prepared for shipment, ensuring they meet all specifications. With everything in place, the slabs are sealed and ready to ship, bound for Saudi Arabia. Contact Petrostone LLP today to bring the timeless elegance of fantasy gold marble to your next project.